Did you know there's a creature that can survive being completely frozen for decades and come back to life? That's right. Today you'll meet some of the most incredible animals that can handle conditions that would end most life on Earth. Welcome to Fast Animal Facts. Today, we're diving into the lives of animals that have truly mind-blowing survival skills. From intense cold and extreme heat to total dryness, these creatures live in environments that seem uninhabitable. Their superpowers aren't fiction, they're the result of millions of years of evolution. Join us as we explore some of the world's most extreme survivors and see how they've adapted to thrive against all odds. First up, we have the legendary tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic animals are practically indestructible, withstanding temperatures from nearly absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. They survive in space, go without food or water for years, and endure crushing pressures and radiation levels that would obliterate other organisms. When conditions get too rough, they enter a state called cryptobiosis, essentially shutting down their body until things improve. Talk about resilience! Next, meet the Saharan silver ant, one of the only known animals that can survive temperatures up to 128 degrees Fahrenheit. These ants have a unique layer of silvery hairs that reflect sunlight and help keep them cool. They only emerge from their nests during the hottest part of the day, giving them an advantage over predators who can't handle the heat. Their heat tolerance is so advanced they can scavenge and return to their nests in record time, just minutes before they'd perish. In fact, they can run their body length in less than 1/100th of a second, which, if they were human-sized, would be like sprinting at an incredible 400 miles per hour, making them the fastest ants on Earth. Now, let's dive into the deep sea for the Pompeii worm, which thrives near hydrothermal vents at temperatures between 131 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat-resistant worm lives at extreme ocean depths and is coated in a layer of bacteria that helps insulate it. Scientists believe the bacteria create a protective barrier against the hot, mineral-rich waters that surround the vents. It's the ultimate symbiotic partnership, allowing these worms to live where other creatures would be instantly cooked. The wood frog is one of nature's most fascinating cold survivors. During winter, it can survive being frozen solid, with its heart stopping and its cells encased in ice. This frog produces a natural antifreeze that prevents cell damage during freezing. When temperatures rise, it thaws and comes back to life without any harm. Found across North America, the wood frog's extreme adaptation lets it survive harsh winters that would kill most other amphibians. Moving to the frozen Antarctic, the emperor penguin is a master of surviving extreme cold. Facing brutal winter temperatures as low as -76 degrees Fahrenheit, these penguins huddle in large groups to conserve body heat and rotate positions to share warmth. Males can go without food for over 2 months as they protect their eggs during the bitter winter. Their thick feathers, unique social behavior, and deep-sea hunting skills make them true survivors of the icy Antarctic. Desert locusts are built for survival in arid conditions, living in some of the hottest deserts. They survive both searing heat and periods of famine by altering their body structure and behavior. When resources become scarce and they're forced into closer contact, they shift from a solitary mode to a swarming phase. During this transformation, they change color, develop stronger wings and muscles, and swarm together, an adaptation that helps them escape extreme drought and locate new food sources. Brine shrimp, or sea monkeys, are famous for their ability to survive in high salinity environments. These tiny crustaceans live in salt flats and salty lakes where few other animals can survive. When conditions get tough, brine shrimp lay dormant eggs that can remain viable for decades in dry conditions. Once they encounter water, they hatch and continue their life cycle. It's a simple but effective survival strategy that's helped them thrive for millions of years. The Greenland shark is built to survive the icy waters of the Arctic, often living at depths with frigid temperatures. These sharks have extremely slow metabolisms, allowing them to live for over 400 years, making them the longest-living vertebrates. They also produce a chemical compound called TMAO that helps them handle high pressures and low temperatures. Their longevity and cold resistance make them true masters of survival in one of the harshest habitats on Earth. The camel is perfectly adapted to survive extreme heat and dryness. Found in desert regions, camels have unique humps that store fat, which they can break down for both energy and water. They can go for days without drinking, and their kidneys are so efficient they can handle salty water. Their thick coats protect them from intense sun, and they can drink up to 30 gallons of water in a single session to stay hydrated in harsh desert climates. Finally, we have the Antarctic blackfin icefish, the only known vertebrate without hemoglobin, which typically gives blood its red color. Found in the Southern Ocean, its nearly clear blood allows oxygen to dissolve directly in the plasma, then circulate to tissues. This adaptation, along with antifreeze proteins that prevent ice crystals from forming, enables it to survive temperatures that would freeze most fish. Its incredible blood chemistry is a rare adaptation to one of the coldest environments on Earth. And there you have it! From the fiery depths of the ocean to the frozen tundras and scorching deserts, these animals showcase the extraordinary adaptations nature has evolved to survive extreme conditions. Each one tells a unique story of resilience, proving that life can thrive even in the most hostile places on Earth. Which of these incredible survivors is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed learning about these extreme animals, check out our other videos for more fascinating facts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fast Animal Facts so you never miss an amazing animal story.